welcome back to the channel. So today the cage came in from Track Spec Motorsports and we're gonna start prepping the car and getting everything taken out of it to take over to the welding place. Ram's over here again. Say what's up, everybody. So he's gonna help take out the seats and the harness bar and whatever we need to get out of here for the guy to do the cage. So stay tuned for that, and then we'll get everything loaded up on the truck and go drop it off over at the welding shop. So stay tuned. Later. Got all of this out of the car so far. We vacuumed it out. We got everything out, harness bar out, everything good to go. We left the seat in there. We'll take that out once we get to the weld shop. But everything's out of here. So these two bars actually are gonna be extra. So, and then all that's gonna go in. So, hell yeah, let's go drop this off at the shop. Is loaded up and ready to go over to the welder's place, and got all loaded up in here. About to take it over to homeboy. Alright, so we're out here at my buddy Austin's big beautiful welds. We're gonna drop the car off. We already got it over there, and we're gonna go up in here and see what's up. This is where it's all gonna go down. There's Austin.
What's up? What's up?
Oh yeah. What are you working on here?
These are headers for chicken hawk. It's the fastest sniper shoot probably can.
Really?
Yes, sir.
That's pretty cool.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah. What are you doing with this?
This thing.
Yeah?
Yeah, there's just a little raw out. That ain't nothing though. That's like a couple hours.
Oh yeah. This is a nice setup.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Oh yeah.
Instead of paying rent somewhere else, I got it in my backyard.
Hell yeah. Can't go wrong with that.
Exactly.
Yeah. Alright guys, so we're gonna drop the car off with him, and we'll come over here and check in with it and maybe film some of the process on the way or something, and we'll check back in later. Alright, me and Ram are over here trying to get this dash out of here, but we got it all out except for one wire that connects this, and then we can get it out, but this thing is empty. We also took out all the plastic stuff off the floor. Just trying to get everything out of the way. We're going to take out this bar here also. Took out all this. We still got the seat on this side, but yeah, we're going to get back at it. We got all this out so far. The headliner, all the extra stuff we didn't need. This is what it looks like. Pretty much bare bones in here. We took the sunroof out. Old dash is out. We still got to take out a couple things here. We're supposed to take out that. And take out the seat, but I'm gonna clean it all up, vacuum it out. So,
But shortly, brother.
help, sir. So we're back over here at the shop working on the drift car. We got everything out. We got the floor out, all that black stuff. It chunked right off pretty easily. Ram's working on getting the heater core out. And we got pretty much everything out. I took some of the wiring out up there for the speakers and all that we don't need. I took these out, these little seatbelt things that go here. But all in all, it's coming along. So he's gonna start putting in the cage tonight, I believe. And it should just be a few more days and it should be done. But we're gonna paint it ourselves on the inside. So let me know if any suggestions of any colors that you might want to paint it. I'm thinking red. What do you think?
That'd be the easiest. Yeah. White won't look that bad either.
Yeah. So, all right, so we're gonna get back at it. All right, guys, so we didn't really do an outro video for the cage portion, but it's over at Austin's. He's working on it. I'm probably not gonna see it for a week or so. So we're bored as hell. So we're gonna do some shop rearranging and kind of organizing here. And I might even put my new bike together. So I gotta switch all those parts over to this frame. Full titanium. Brand new frame from Far East Customs. Hell yeah. Shout out to J-Dubs for that bike. Appreciate that. But I think I'm gonna organize around here, time lapse some stuff. Probably gonna clean some of the stuff up here on top and maybe rearrange a couple things. I don't know, but let's get to it. I think we're gonna get the bumper down that I broke and take the wrap off of it and take it over to the fiberglass guy, let him fix it, and then so we'll have that ready for when the car comes back from the cage. Yep, let's do it.
You gave me, I can't apologize. I can't apologize, you ain't there. I'm in it for the night. I'm in it for the night we had here. You know it don't feel right. If ever there's a time, if ever there's a time that ain't fair, I can't afford a lie. I can't afford a.
All right, so we got the wrap off and it's ready to go to the fiberglass guy. Let him fix that up so it'll be ready for when the car comes back. And that's about it. So we're gonna get out of here. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And we'll see you on the next one. Later.